So the logic behind question number 1 of mock 11 will be, now here we'll have to find out the first non-zero digit. So first of all, we'll separate out all the zeros that will occur on the right hand side of this number. So this number will end with some zeros. So we'll remove all those zeros first of all, and then we'll find out what portion of these factors are remaining. Okay. So if I look at the solution here, this number is 2 raised to the power 6, 6 raised to the power 3, 5 raised to the power 5, 7 cube, 9 raised to the power 4, 11 raised to the power 7, 14 raised to the power 4, and 15 raised to the power 9. Now, 1 0 at the end will occur if I will multiply 2 and 5. So 2 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 1 will give me 10 raised to the power 1, and the number will end with 1 0. So number of 2's and number of 5's will depend, basically will decide the number of zeros at the end of this number. Okay, so I'll quickly separate out all the powers of 2 and all the powers of 5. So first of all, talking about the powers of 2. So powers of 2 will be present only in even basis. So 2 raised to the power 6, 6 raised to the power 3, and 14 raised to the power 4. So in these numbers, the power of 2 will be present. So 2 raised to the power 6, it will have 6 power of 2. Then 6 cube can be written as 2 cube into 3 cube. So it will give me 2 cube, and then 14 raised to the power 4 will give me 2 raised to the power 4. So if I'll add all the powers of 2, the net power of 2 will be equal to 13. And likewise, I'll extract all the powers of 5. So powers of 5 will be present here in 5 raised to the power 5 and 15 raised to the power 9. So the net power of 5 will be 5 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 9, and that is 5 raised to the power 14. Okay. Now the power of 2 is 13 and the power of 5 is 14. Power of 5 is 1 more than the power of 2. Okay. So we'll look at the lower of these two powers, and I can say that 2 raised to the power 13 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 13 will make 10 raised to the power 13. So if the question would have been what will be the number of zeros at the end of this number, my answer would have been 13. But this is not the question. Okay. So 10 raised to the power 13. So I have removed 2 raised to the power 13 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 13. That has given me 10 raised to the power 13. So I have removed all these powers. Now let's see what will be the leftover number. Now after removing these powers of 2 and 5, first of all, I'll be left with 5 raised to the power 1. So out of 5 raised to the power 14, 5 raised to the power 13 has been removed. So power of 5 left over is 1. Multiplied by, now is there any need to write the remaining part? Now whatever the remaining part will be, all of them will be odd numbers because I have completely extracted all the powers of 2. So there is no need to waste your time in writing the remaining number. Definitely the remaining number will be odd numbers. So odd numbers raised to the power anything. Okay. So this remaining part will be odd multiplied by 5 will give me an odd multiple of 5. Okay. Why not even? Because already all the powers of 2 have been used to make the powers of 10. So I'm not left with any power of 2. Right? So whatever this number is, it will be 5 multiplied by an odd number. So an odd multiple of 5. Odd multiple of 5 will definitely end with 5. So we can say that the first non-zero digit from the right hand side in this product will be equal to 5, and 5 will be the final answer for this question. Alright, so that was question number 1, pretty easy. Okay, let's move on to question number 2 with this.